Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Netflix error code NW-2-4. First, let's verify your basic internet connection. Ensure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable is securely connected to your device. Sometimes, a simple check of other apps or websites on the same device can confirm whether the issue is Netflix-specific or a broader network problem. This initial step helps us quickly narrow down the root cause. One of the most effective troubleshooting steps is to perform a full power cycle of your network equipment. Completely unplug your Wi-Fi router and your internet modem from their power outlets. Wait a full 30 seconds before plugging them back in. This ensures all internal caches are cleared. Give the devices about 3 minutes to completely boot up and reconnect to your internet service provider. Then retest Netflix. Next, we should check your device's individual network settings. Go into the settings menu of your smart television, gaming console, or streaming device and find the network status section. Confirm that your device is showing a successful connection to your home network and ideally has a strong signal. Sometimes, simply reconnecting to the Wi-Fi network from this menu can refresh the connection and clear the error. Occasionally, issues with your internet service provider's DNS servers can cause the NW-2-4 error. You might try changing your device's DNS settings to a public alternative like Google DNS, using 8.8.8.8 for the primary. Be sure to write down your current settings first, so you can easily switch back if needed. This change can sometimes bypass local server issues and allow your device to connect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.